Welcome back YouTube, my name is Max, welcome to John Cleese Car Audio's YouTube channel. Today I have a VW Beetle R behind me, about a 2015 year. This came in with VW's Discover Media Pro head unit, which comes with CarPlay and Android Auto. However, these units are notorious for going faulty, various issues such as not turning on, or things like the touchscreen stops working. So let's hop inside the car, have a little look at what we fitted in. So this gives you a bit of an idea what the front looks like. I'm just going to pop the keys in at the same time as we look at this and power up the head unit. So we put our little VW logo onto this just to help give this install a bit more of an original feel. The manufacturer's splash screen, we call that, is something we try to do as a standard on all of these Kenwood videos. Now this is the DMX 8021 DABS head unit, coming with wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, DAB, HDMI, USB. It comes with pretty much all the main things that you would need while driving. This vehicle as standard comes with steering wheel controls. You've got a factory USB, which is down there. Now the factory USB has been converted to take the USB-C connector that comes with the Kenwood head unit, as they have moved over to the new connection rather than using the old one. And we've used a matte black fascia to fit it on this particular installation. Matches matte black buttons and trims around the dashboard. You can get a gloss black fascia as well if that is what you would prefer. Also, if your car has the factory reverse camera or parking sensors which come up on a display, we can also keep that side of things working as well. So no features are lost during this installation. No DAB aerial on show in this vehicle, and that's because we used the factory DAB antenna. Anything that you do have up there, a little microphone, if we can just get it to focus. Yeah, there we go. That microphone picks up the voice when you're on a call. So when you're doing calls with these types of aftermarket head units, brands like Kenwood, Sony, Alpine, they all have aftermarket microphones that are positioned separately. These external microphones work very well and far superior to any of those Chinese unbranded stereos that you get on eBay, Amazon. We really avoid those kind of products over here. They're a little bit unreliable, or quite. That is the look of the Kenwood on the sort of the Apple CarPlay home screen. I'll give you a brief run through this. You know, you've got Apple CarPlay for phoning, music, your maps. They're the main three things really. Obviously you've got messages as well. The capacitive screen on this 8021 is lovely and easy to use and very responsive, and also very clear. Even though this is just standard definition, they do offer the 8021 or 9720 that you can get HD screens on. I personally use Tidal for my music. Simply hit into the logo there, and then I can browse my collection of music, albums, quite a wide variety that will be inside here. But all your music, whether you use Amazon Music, Apple Music, Tidal, Spotify, will be displayed in a similar way. You can get internet radio apps, and yeah, you've got out navigation, Apple Maps, Google Maps, Waze, plenty to choose from. Going back to the home screen and what the front page looks like, this is sort of the home page, even though you probably live in Apple CarPlay mode the majority of the time. Now if we wanted to change the sources, we can go into this bottom left menu here. We've got an option, a few of the sources on the screen here. Wireless mirroring if you have Android, FM, USB, HDMI. HDMI, you can add a Fire Stick to this head unit should you want to watch movies on the screen when you're not driving, of course. Then this unit can cater for that. You've also got DAB radio. Let's go into that next. So DAB radio, got all the same stations that it used to have. Your preset saving down the right hand side of the head unit down here. You can bring them over to check what you've had saved. Select them like so. Selecting new radio stations is as easy as pressing this magnifying glass down here. Just do that a bit more slowly, and you've got your full list of radio channels here, like over 100, plenty to choose from. So that's your service list in terms of radio, and you can even refresh it over down there. That is probably a very brief but quick run through on this Kenwood head unit. Real nice system, 3-year warranty when fitted at John Cleese at the moment, so many years of easy driving without any worries that you're going to be buying another head unit. And these head units, they can take a reverse camera, so if you didn't have a reverse camera standard, you can even add that feature later. That's pretty much it for this brief video from John Cleese Cardio. Thanks for watching. My name's Max. I will catch you in the next video. Any questions, hit us in the comments. Please remember to like and subscribe. We appreciate the support that everyone gives us, and we'll see you next time. Take care and goodbye.